I am going to do is what is known as a semi-automatic procedure. Now, if I go over to these controls, and I put number 1 into automatic, and then come back, what we should find is it'll start synchronizing. You won't see the synchroscope going. It's starting to check out all the frequencies. It's now bringing this one up. When it's got it right, it'll put this one on the board. And now it'll automatically load sheet and bring the loads over. Okay. Now, a modern switchboard, you can do all of this. You can get alternators automatically starting, shutting themselves down. But the big problem in the industry now is that's easy. All you have to do, as you saw me, was turn a switch. And that's nice when it works. But when it doesn't work, and you have to go back to manual, which is what you're learning the hard way, it's a dying art. And a lot of guys just don't know how to do it. Now, if I just leave this, it will automatically control the frequency, it will automatically control the load sharing. Yeah? Okay? Wouldn't be a very good presentation, that one, would it?
So how did you find auto? The button that... Where did you get the auto button from?
We don't get it.
Yeah, but still.
It comes into setting up all the automatic modes. And all I did was to switch that one into automatic.
Okay.
And if the alternators are running and the breakers are all reset, it will automatically synchronize and parallel them. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. But what you will find with a system like this, the difficult thing is actually setting it up. And on a real switchboard, it can take you 4 to 5 days just to set it up. Okay? And it's nice when it works, but when it doesn't work is when all your problems start. Okay? Now, if you actually look at the load share, it's all but perfect. And I've just stood here and it's done it all for me. Okay?
Will you always constantly be adjusting whilst it's in auto?
This will automatically adjust itself. I can walk away and leave that now. Yeah? And to the extent when you're in full automatic, you can have load sensors, which if the load gets too high on one, it will take it off the board and shut the diesel down.
We'd send a prompt to the engineer to say, check the motor out.
Yeah, well, what you will have are all the set points. By setting these, this is how you actually set the system. There's a whole batch of them there, and there's another batch of them there. Yeah? Okay. The time doesn't allow us to go down there. Okay? Right. Now, next week we're going to start the presentations. You've got your bat in order. Yeah? One of the things here which I appreciate is those coming on first are probably going to make more mistakes than those at the end. But we take this into account with the marking. One of the things you will find here, we mark it 2 ways. One is you will actually mark your colleagues. It's what is called peer assessment. So each of you will also mark the presentation. Then there'll be the members of staff also marking. Okay? And at the end we put it all together.
Who's the other member of staff?
It's either Dr. Habte or Dr. Mengistu, or it could be both of them.
Who is Mangistu?
Right? Dr. Mengistu teaches thermodynamics. He won't have a clue what this is about. If you can get him to understand, you must be doing a good job. Okay? And that's what it's all about.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, well, one of the things here again, spend a bit of time, get yourself practice what you're going to say. If you want to use notes, I have no objection, but what I don't want to see is guys standing there just reading from the notes. Yeah? You'll be penalised if you do that. No harm in having notes there which you can reference, but if you actually stand there just reading everything, not good practice. Okay? Any questions? Right, well, if you want to do an early start, up to yourselves, but we'll call
Yeah.
it a day.
My DA2 doesn't seem to start.
Sorry?
The